If you've ever needed to format references, citations, bibliographies, or any list that needs the first line to stay put while the rest of the paragraph shifts over, hanging indents in Microsoft Word are exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to create hanging indents in Word so your document looks clean, polished, and professional. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and highlight the text you want to indent. This can be one paragraph, a full list, or several lines of text depending on what you're formatting. Selecting the exact text first is important because Word will apply the hanging indent only to the highlighted section. Once your text is selected, go up to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the paragraph section, look for the small arrow in the bottom right corner. This is called the Paragraph Dialog Box Launcher. Click that small arrow to open the full paragraph settings window. Inside the paragraph dialog box, you'll see a section called Indentation. This is where Word lets you control how text sits on the page. Look for the special drop-down menu, click it, and you'll see a few options appear. From that list, choose Hanging. As soon as you select Hanging, Word will automatically shift the selected paragraph so that the first line stays aligned at the left margin, while the lines below it move inward. This is the key effect of a hanging indent, and it's what makes citation formatting and reference lists look so much cleaner. If you want more or less space in the indent, you can adjust the amount in the buy box. This lets you fine-tune how far the text moves over. For most documents, the default amount is usually fine, but if your professor, editor, or style guide asks for a specific indent size, this is where you make that adjustment. After that, click OK to apply the changes. Word will instantly format the selected text with a hanging indent. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always reopen the paragraph dialog box and tweak the settings until it matches the style you need. This method works great for APA references, MLA works cited pages, annotated bibliographies, numbered lists, and any document where you want the second and following lines to stand out under the first line. It's one of those small formatting tricks in Word that makes a huge difference in the final presentation of your document. If you want to save time, remember that once you've formatted one paragraph correctly, you can often copy that formatting to other sections instead of starting over. That's especially helpful when you're working on long papers or documents with multiple references. And that's it. You now know how to create hanging indents in Microsoft Word using the paragraph settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.